So, hi friends. Today I wanted to show you the place where I work in my clinic. This is my clinic. It is called as Healing Temple, and it's in the Mumbai city, middle of the city. This clinic. It's a lovely, quiet little place that we have created, and it's really a beautiful place. Lots of birds and trees and. We've named it as Healing Temple, and our purpose is that when patients come here, they have to feel very healed. When you want to practice healing, you have to create also a place which is very quiet and beautiful, and very conducive for healing. Here is I want to introduce you my husband, Dr. Atul Shah, and thank you very much for coming on camera today. My husband and myself, we both are partners in creating Indian flower remedies, and we've been doing it for more than 37 years now. He's a medical doctor. He's basically a radiologist and MRI expert. But for all these years, we have been introducing natural therapies and natural remedies, and we believe in integrated approach. So, Dr. Atul Shah, it's lovely to see you today on Facebook Live. You hardly come, but I know you're very busy and you're always busy treating patients. So, a question to ask you is that what is the most important thing when a patient comes to you the first time? What do you pay attention to?
Hi, Dr. Rupa, and to my all viewers. Let me tell you first that I give a lot of importance to the history and I listen very, very peacefully. I make them to speak and then I ask some questions regarding their health. And important thing is, one of the thing is the sleep part of it, because a lot of healing occurs during sleep. That is one. Then the dental health, because a lot of each and every teeth represents some meridians and it is related to that particular organ. So it is very important to get the history of the teeth. And third, also very important is the stool part of it, whether they got constipation or diarrhea, because lot of dysbiosis. Dysbiosis means bad bacteria or pathogenic bacteria in the gut that can be the cause for many diseases, including allergies and metabolic syndrome X, that is diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, cancer, heart diseases. So I give a lot of importance to that by asking what is the quality of the stool, and there will be something called the leaky gut syndrome, very, very important, and we take detailed history of it, and it can be corrected. All these things are most likely to be corrected, and that's why I give a lot of importance to this.
Can you explain about integrated approach that you use in this Healing Temple?
Yeah, because of my medical knowledge, I am MD, so I would like to pay importance to the diagnostic part of it also. So the diagnosis, I take the help of allopathic way, and that is the blood test, X-rays, MRI, sonography, CT scan, whatever is required. I would like to do it and correlate with my way of diagnosing it, and then take the summary of that and we treat. So most of the time we give Indian flower remedies, and sometimes if required we will use the allopathic remedies also. So we are very open to complementary approach.
Usually patients find that doctors don't seem to be listening them well, or not connecting, or really not paying attention. How are you different?
Yeah, that's what I first say, that I give a lot of importance and I listen to the patients, and then I ask some questions which makes them to answer, and then they say, oh, so I have got this problem also, I have got this problem also. So they come to, they start telling about it. See, simple like hair fall also we tell you what is the nutritional deficiency. Okay, so we ask them all these questions, and most of the time I think it is quite easy or not very difficult to treat patients.
And can you explain also like holistic healing, as a method of diagnosing and treating the patient?
Yeah, so we have got one of the technology which is called as a head analysis also, where we do and we find out what is the nutritional deficiency or what are the toxins in the body. Or there are other machines called as a bioresonance technique. There we also do certain tests to find out what is in which organ, what is the problem. Okay, so these are the few things which are not really regularly done by other people here. But Hair Analysis has given a lot of uh, boost to our practice because it gives us a lot of information.
Many times patients feel, very healed when even they come and sit in this healing temple. What is the secret of it?
Well, I make sure that they don't feel that they have come to the doctor first thing, and even a most serious patient, but I will see that they have got a smiling face, if not laughing. But smiling face is the thing. When they leave from here, they are in a smiling face. So that is the thing. They are able to share with me everything.
Place where they feel very, um, much listened to and healed. And we also have actually the bells here that we ring and invoke the positive energies in this place, like this. You can see, because truly it is a healing temple where patients get healed. So see you again tomorrow on Monday with another episode. Bye.